Alright, so I'm here with a layout. Hopefully it works this time. So it crashed and I lost my audio. So let's start again. So my background is basil cardstock. And I'm going to use that pattern, purple geometric shape pattern, which is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans Truly Grateful number 4. I'm going to use that to back my photos. All right. Alright, so I put gesso on the back and I'm going to do some ink, add ink to the background. I like doing the gesso first. Sometimes I don't. But this time I did I don't want the paper to soak in the ink. I want it to look more like watercolors. So this way I can put it on and then use some paper towel to dab some of it off. Take off the excess. I really wish I knew what was going on with my computer. All right, baby steps, baby steps. All right, so I have some of the inking done at this point. I used the black and orange, of course, your traditional Halloween colors, and I am going to add a bit of green and yellow, I think, or at least the green that you see there on my desk. And then I expand it out further on the page. I do the black and orange kind of circular, and then the green I make it so it's out more, I guess. And the cats are all napping. It's cat nap time. It's going to be my nap time soon. I went to bed late last night. I felt bad. My husband got home from work and his new job. And sorry, I fell asleep. When I woke up, it was like 10:30. So So I have the tag that I used a piece of scrap for, as well as the circles. And I didn't have a whole piece of that green pattern to make a full tag, which it was going to get stuck behind my pictures anyway, so it just works out. So I can just do half a tag. And then here is where I have the acetate pieces, and they just kind of blend in. So I decided to back some of them on white cardstock, and that's what you see me doing here. And I'm going to cut it out. All right. All right, so moving on, I'm going to add some more acetate pieces and die cuts. All right, so all right, so I am going to begin to glue all my die cuts down and stickers and whatnot. All right. All right. All right, so I am going to work on my title now. And then I also use, which I already think I said that my enamel shapes are my mind's eye, my heritage. So I'm gonna do my die cuts as well. Finish gluing those. All right, so I'm finally at the end of my layout, and my title is down and my die cuts are glued. And so that pretty much completes this layout. And so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.